lovely questions, my dear students. सुपरसोनिक वेव आ गई थी. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. बेसिक थर्मोडायनेमिक्स कर ला आपका PP1 आज. ओके ओके ओके. वणक्कम वणक्कम. So at the outset, I love thermodynamics. Yeah, that should be your what I say. Naam. देखो रे. I am starting regular thermodynamics course. आज अच्छे क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे. यस, गजराज चौहान, वाह 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 वाह, मार्क्स भी डाल दिए. सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग रेगुलर थर्मोडायनेमिक्स कोर्स. रेगुलर थर्मोडायनेमिक्स कोर्स on Plus from 16th June. I repeat, from 16th June, that is 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. and this will be complete course for both from GATE and engineering services point of view. Yeah, so सच कह रहा तेरी कसम. अच्छा अच्छा, ये भी होता है क्या? Okay, so I'm starting regular course on thermodynamics from 16th, है ना? 16th, that is परसों से. वंडरफुल. 1 to 3 1 to 3. तो हमारा तो पावर प्लांट चलते रहेगा, उसका कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. सो इट विल बी योर सॉम लेक्चर्स आर ऑसम. थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू. सो यस, सॉम का तो गजब का मतलब. एंड यू नो, आपको पता है कि इफ यू सी द वॉच मिनट्स ऑफ सॉम, मतलब अराउंड फॉर एवरी क्लास देयर आर अबाउट 1156 स्टूडेंट्स फॉर एवरी क्लास सॉम का. So yes, बहुत ही मतलब thermo I'll take about 65 hours. So it will be covered completely from GATE and engineering services point of view. अभी हम start करें. So please एक छोटा सा request है. So this course, these special classes and thermo classes का कोई link नहीं है. There is no link नहीं है. This course and what I say, the course which is commencing from 16, there is no link. Yeah, this course will be useful to those students, those who have completed thermodynamics. मतलब ऐसे ही थोड़े लोग आए तो मुश्किल होगा. So फिर से बता रहा हूं, सुनो. I'm doing your FM recorded mechanic. Should I follow TD from 16? Yes, you have to follow रे. You have to follow. Yeah, सुनो रे बाबा. Where are you from? Right now I am in Auckland, that is New Zealand. So just came to see my farmyard at New Zealand. So I'll return back. Okay na? Okay, now chalo. So please, this class is important for those students, those who have already completed thermodynamics. At least they have some knowledge. तो बिना zero knowledge से, बिना अगर आके बैठेंगे, don't blame me. I'm following your FM. I'm here to thank you. Oh my God, Civil, thank you, thank you, thank you. Huge Civil के तो बहुत fans हो गए. Thank you, thank you, thank you. बहुत अच्छा लगता है यार, really. See, if some purpose is solved, very happy. मजा आ रहा है लाइफ में. चलो, है थोड़े रिग्रेट्स है, चलो कोई नहीं, उसको भी ओवरकम कर लेंगे. स्टार्ट करें. चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट इन द नेम ऑफ गॉड. మీరు చాలా బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. చలో, మనం ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేద్దామా? మీకు తెలుగు వచ్చా అండి? यार अरे यार, ये यहाँ पे तो मेरा प्रेज ही चल रहा है. ऐसा नहीं होता है यार. प्रेज करने के लिए आपको दूसरे माध्यम है, वहां से करो ना. प्लीज डोंट डू दैट नाउ. चलो, आई रिपीट, फिर से बता रहा हूं जो लोग जा रहे हैं. रेगुलर थर्मोडायनेमिक्स क्लास इज कमेंसिंग फ्रॉम 16th June. दिस कोर्स इज टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम आवर प्रीवियस क्लासेस. सो ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस एक लेवल का था, उससे भी हम बहुत ज्यादा कर लेंगे. ओके, మీకు తెలుగు వచ్చు నాయనా, తెలుగు వాడినే నాయనా. चलो पढ़ लो रे, ये प्रॉब्लम पढ़ लो रे. चलो, पहला प्रॉब्लम कुछ मजेदार करेंगे, कुछ ब्रांड न्यू प्रॉब्लम करेंगे. लेट्स डू सम ब्रांड न्यू क्वेश्चन. So please note on that these special classes are important for those students, those who have already completed the subject, or those who have some concepts on thermodynamics. If you do not have any concepts on thermodynamics and if you are attending these classes, definitely you may not understand. So therefore, I request everyone to have gone through these basics. हाँ, चलो. What a beautiful question this is. एक बार पढ़ो. A brand new question. एक बार पढ़ो. A brand new question. An ideal gas perform a cyclic operation consisting of 6 processes. Okay, 6 processes. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to A. Process of adiabatic. And one more thing, my dear students. आपको clearly दिख रहा है? सब कुछ दिख रहा है? Can you see everything? Is everything clear? All of you, is everything clear? Wonderful question, my dear friends. Wonderful question. देखो एक बार. On PV diagram. This is PV diagram. There is a cycle comprising of 6 processes. Okay, out of 6, actually there are 2 basic processes. फिर से बता रहा सुनो, 2 basic processes है. Okay, it will be available. These classes are available. These are free classes. It will be available. You can watch recorded session. Okay, don't worry. Chalo. Now, and what he says is temperature of gas during isothermal process AB is 600. Please understand carefully. There are 6 processes. It is a 6 process cycle. Out of 6, 3 are isothermal and 3 are adiabatic. देखो एक बार. This is adiabatic. Of course, whenever clearly it is given, it is actually reversible adiabatic. Please note down that. This is adiabatic. This is adiabatic. So can I say that alternately there is isothermal and adiabatic? The AB is isothermal, BC is adiabatic, CD is isothermal, DE is adiabatic, EF is isothermal, FA is adiabatic. Wonderful, my dear students. Look at carefully. Look at carefully. Now I would like to plot this on TS diagram. The reason for plotting on TS diagram is reversible adiabatic is isentropic. So on TS diagram, isentropic is a vertical line. On TS diagram, isentropic is a vertical line, and temperature is constant. Isothermal is a again line on TS diagram. Let us see, my dear students. एक बार देखना. Let me represent this on TS diagram. Can you tell what is AB process? Anyone in the class? What is AB process? Isothermal. So how do I show isothermal? What is AB, my dear students? जब पूछ रहा हूं तो आंसर देना. When I'm asking, give answers. What is AB? What is AB? Isothermal. How are isothermal? और T है ये T है horizontal. But यहाँ पे there is a problem. Horizontal can be. एक second please. Yes. Yeah. 1 second, please. Horizontal can be to the right or to the left. Can anyone tell this AB, should it be to the right or left? AB, it is horizontal. Should it be to the right or left? It should be right. Can anyone tell why it should be right? I told you very clearly, for a reversible process, ds is d dash q by t. Can anyone tell? देखो, temperature is constant. Why temperature is constant? A to B is isothermal and this temperature is given as 600. ये temperature दे रखा है 600. Listen carefully. ये temperature. अब देखो A to B, what is happening, my dear students? Look at carefully. Please understand carefully. It is isothermal expansion. मैं बताया था आपको thermodynamics में. In isothermal process, when is expansion taking place? मैं बताया था. In thermo, I have taught you. In isothermal process, when is expansion taking place? When you supply heat. When heat is supplied, this is positive. When this is positive, entropy change is positive. Observe clearly. I explained in my basic thermodynamics, एक छोटा चीज बताया. I repeat, my dear students, in an isothermal process, expansion represents. Why are you calling this as expansion? Anyone? इसको expansion क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Because volume is increasing. Volume increase का मतलब expansion. In isothermal, how expansion is possible? How expansion is possible? By supplying heat. All these I had explained. Heat supply का मतलब क्या है? This is positive. Temperature is always positive. So when this is positive, entropy change is positive. So when is entropy change positive? When it is increasing. Increasing means it should be to the right. So therefore, this is A and this is B. Can anyone tell what is BC? Isentropic. What is reversible adiabatic? Isentropic. Reversible adiabatic, isentropic. So it is expansion. And during adiabatic expansion, what is happening? temperature decreases. So therefore, my dear students, B2C is reversible adiabatic, so temperature is decreasing. Can you tell me what is C2D? Again isothermal, but it is at 400. Again, I should move to the right. Can anyone tell why right? Because expansion is taking place, heat is supplied, so entropy is increasing. So this temperature is 400. And what is C2D? Again, adiabatic. Adiabatic means it is reversible adiabatic, isentropic. Isentropic means entropy constant. Entropy constant means it is vertical. It can be up or down. But in this case, it is expanding. During expansion, temperature decreases. Therefore, this is CD and this is DE. DE. Now, what is EF, my dear students? Understand carefully. Till now, is it clear? Till now, is it clear? Wonderful, my dear students. What is EF? It is constant temperature. How much is that? 300, 300, 300. देखो 300, 300. So यहाँ पे compression हो रहा है. Can anyone tell what is isothermal compression? During isothermal compression, heat is rejected. All these I had explained in thermodynamics. When heat is rejected, D-Q is negative. When D-Q is negative, entropy is negative. Negative का मतलब decrease. So therefore, it is isothermal means horizontal. This is EF. Last one is adiabatic. Reversible adiabatic means isentropic. Isentropic means entropy is constant. F to A, but it is compression. During compression, temperature is increasing. This is adiabatic, therefore the temperature is increasing. This is my cycle on TS diagram. Please tell me, is the cycle clear? Please tell me, is the cycle clear? यहाँ पे एक beautiful point है. देखना. What is that point? Volume of gas changes by same factor. Volume of gas changes by same factor. Find out the efficiency of this cyclic process. मैं बता रहा हूं सुनो. Let me show it. Let me show it. Wait, don't be in hurry. Don't be in hurry. This is 600. This is 400. This is 300. Look at my dear students. Look at my dear students. This is a clockwise cycle. So clockwise cycles are work producing or power producing cycles. My simple question to you people is, now I want this area. Can anyone in the class tell what is this area representing? Anyone in the class? Can anyone in the class tell what is this closed area representing? Anyone? Anyone? Please note down that it is net heat. It is net heat. Why am I using the word net heat? Closed area, there is a difference between heat and net heat. Closed area is representing net heat, net heat, net heat. ये net heat represent कर रहा है. This is net heat. But everyone knows why? Because it is a TS diagram. So on TS diagram, area represents heat transfer. So it is representing closed area is equal to net heat. But you know, first law of thermodynamics for a cycle, net heat is also equal to net work. करेक्ट ना? तो कभी भी याद रखना, ये जो क्लोज्ड एरिया है क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? नेट वर्क और नेट हीट. बट यहां पे एक छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम है. I'll tell you what is the problem. What is the problem? Let us take this. अरे यार ABCD दिया ना, चलो let's take it as A B C D E. See the beauty here. See the beauty here. एक बार I request everyone to focus. I request everyone to focus on this sentence. During each isothermal process, volume of gas change by same factor. अब मैं आपको बताता हूं, सुनो. अब मैं आपको बताता हूं. What is A to B, my dear students? Wait. C point गलत हो गया. Oh, sorry. हो सके तो माफ करना. हो सके तो माफ करना. है ना? Wonderful students. Wonderful, my dear students. हाँ, अब देखना. Please look at carefully. Now, what is this process? Anyone? What is AB? AB is isothermal. And what is CD? It is also isothermal. But क्या शब्द यूज किया है? The volume factor is same. इसका मतलब, let us say VB by VA is equal to some K. What he says is This volume factor is same for this isothermal process. Can I write Vd by Vc is equal to K? Anyone? Can I write? What is happening? Is my voice clear? Is everything clear? Someone said voice. मेरे वॉइस को कौन नाम रखते रे बाबा? अभी तक कोई नहीं रखा, लेकिन ये वॉइस बोल रहा है मेरा वॉइस सही नहीं है. Is it clear? Is it clear, my dear students? Wonderful. Now, अब देखना. Please look at my dear students. I request all of you to listen, क्योंकि I am giving you a brand new question. देखो एक बार. Have you seen this question earlier? May not be. शायद देखे नहीं होंगे. सुनो, सुनो रे. सुनो, 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 सुनो. Please सुनो. Can anyone tell what is the entropy change for an ideal gas? What is the working fluid? It is an ideal gas. देखो एक बार. CV ln T2 by T1 plus R ln V2 by V1. Is it correct? I think I gave you 3 equations for the entropy change of ideal gas. I gave you 3 equations. It is one of the equations. So my question to you people is, इधर देखना my dear students, इधर देखना. और एक बात बता रहा हूं, सुनो. Look at my dear students. VB by VA into VD by VC. Okay, leave it. हाँ. अब मुझे बताओ, for A to B, what is the temperature? Anyone? Wonderful. Point 4 is correct. For A to B, what is the temperature? Same. From A to B, when the temperature is changed, अरे यार, I am writing, अरे 1 to 2, ये 1 to 2 अगर होगा तो 1 to होगा, लेकिन A to B हो रहा है. Can I write this as TA? देखो रे. So I am writing the equation of entropy change for AB. What is the entropy change for AB? CV ln T final by T initial plus R ln V final by V initial. Please tell me, is this equation clear? Is this equation clear, Ray? Is this equation clear? Wonderful. What is temperature A and B? It is same. So when TA is equal to TB, because it is isothermal, so temperature is same. So what will be TB by TA? It is 1. So it is 1. So what is ln TB by TA? Anyone? It is ln 1. So what is ln 1? 0. So ये कट जाएगा. So what is the entropy change for AB? R ln VB by VA. देखो ध्यान से सुनना. What is the entropy change for AB and CD? Anyone in the class? What is the entropy change for AB and CD? Will it be same or different? It will be same. Why it is same? He only said because for isothermal process, ये temperature कट जाएगा. Now it depends only on volume, but volume factor is same for both. When volume factor is same, gas is same. So therefore, entropy change for this and this will be same. All of you, have you caught the point? Same volume factor बोला है. All of you, have you caught this point? Wonderful question, my dear students. Volume factor is same. फिर से बताओ, सुनो. The entropy change of this will depend on temperature and volume, but temperature is same, so ratio कट गया, only volume. So I write this as delta S. If that is delta S, can I say this is also delta S, my dear students? Can I say this is also delta S? बताओ sir, please tell me, have you followed or not followed? अरे यार, entropy change is given by CV ln T2 by T1 plus R ln V2 by V1. But temperatures are same. When temperatures are same, ratio is 1. So this is volume ratio. But he said this volume ratio is same because volume factor is same. So entropy is depending now for isothermal only on volume ratio. When this volume ratio is same, what will be the entropy change for AB and CD? अगर ये delta S है तो ये भी delta S है. All of you, have you followed? खत्म हो गया. The problem is over. Now can anyone tell? All of you, are you getting, my dear students? All of you, are you getting? Beautiful, wonderful, thank you. So therefore, now tell me, what is net heat is equal to net work? It is equal to closed area. अब मुझे बताओ, what is the closed area? Anyone in the class, what is the closed area? ये पूरा area. पहले आप इस area को calculate करो. It is 600, it is 300. It is 600, it is 300. What is the difference? I want this length. 600 minus 300 into this length. Area चाहिए रे, this length. What is the area? Delta S. Plus I want this area. What is this area? 400. This is 400. This is 300. So this length is 400 minus 300. 400 minus 300 into, so this is 400, this is 300, this length is 400 minus 300 into delta S. I want this area, into 300. Can anyone tell what is the network? What is the network? It is 300 plus 100 is 400 delta S. It is 400 delta S. Can you tell me what is this network? अब मुझे बताओ, what is the efficiency? It is net work by heat supply. Can anyone tell what is the heat supply? Heat supply कहाँ पे हो रहा? जहां जहां पे entropy is increasing, there the heat is supplied. जहां जहां पे entropy increase हो रहा, इधर देखना. Please look at my dear students. A to B, this is at 600, and this is delta S. C to D, entropy is increasing, and this is delta S. Wonderful, my dear students. Can anyone in the class tell what is heat supply? So here the entropy, dekho, it is adiabatic. So heat transfer is 0. It is adiabatic heat. All vertical lines, no heat transfer. All vertical lines, adiabatic, no heat transfer. So whatever the heat transfer is taking place, it is taking place in horizontal lines. Horizontal right, entropy is increasing, heat supply. And left, heat rejected. What is efficiency? Net work by heat supply. मुझे बताओ heat supply कहाँ पे हो रहा? A to B. Can anyone in the class tell how do I calculate heat supply in A to B? देखो, this is TS diagram. What is this temperature? It is 600, and this is delta S. Anyone? What is this delta S? तो अगर आपको heat supply चाहिए, तो you calculate this area. So what is that heat supply? 600 delta S. But that is giving heat transfer only in AB process. But I want in CD process. तो क्या करेंगे? Project this, calculate this area. Already this is 400. 400 into this length. ये कितना होगा? Delta S. So therefore, this is the heat supply in AB. This is the heat supply in CD. 600 delta S plus 400 delta S. So how much will be this? It is 1000 delta S. Please tell me, have you followed? Wonderful. 600 delta S plus 400 delta S. All of you, have you followed? अरे यार, इसका एरिया चाहिए तो 600 delta S. इसका एरिया चाहिए तो it is 400 delta S. 600 delta S plus 400 delta S is the total heat supply, and that will be 1000 delta S. Efficiency is network. Already network is 400 delta S. By heat supply is 1000 delta S, and therefore it will be 0.4 or 40% is the answer. Is it clear? Gajraj Chauhan. Is it not a good question? Is it not a good question? Is it not a good question? Wonderful, my dear students. Wonderful, wonderful. मैं बोला था ना नए क्वेश्चंस लेके आऊंगा. Yes sir, beautiful one. Thank you, thank you. चलो amazing. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Look at the enthusiasm of your teacher. That is आगे बढ़े. आगे बढ़े रे, आगे बढ़े. आगे कैसे बढ़े? आगे बढ़े, अरे आगे बढ़े रे. हाँ, wonderful. चलो. Take this question. Read the question. Read the question. Please, my dear students, read the question. Please read the question. Do not commit mistake. Read the question. A Carnot engine. Oh, whenever he uses the word Carnot, it is reversible. That's it. A Carnot engine draws heat from a reservoir at T1 and rejects heat to another reservoir at temperature T3. तो एक बार लाइन डायग्राम बना लेना. It is drawing heat at a temperature T1. Say it is developing work W and rejecting, say, to a temperature T3 बोला ना T3. The Carnot forward cycle engine drives a Carnot reverse cycle or refrigerator. समझ में आ रहा है ना? अब बोल क्या रहा है? This is driving a refrigerator. जो भी वर्क मिल रहा है, that work is utilized in running a refrigerator. Wonderful, my dear students. Which absorbs heat from, मुझे बताओ, it is absorbing heat from T2. मतलब lower refrigerator क्या करता है बोलो? It picks up heat from lower temperature and throws it to the higher temperature. Look at, my dear students. It is picking up heat. This is the lower temperature. My refrigerator को इधर डाल दो. एक सेकंड प्लीज. Generally, I take lower temperatures at the bottom, higher temperatures at the top, but यहाँ पे कुछ वजह के कारण मैं ले रहा हूं. It is absorbing heat, let us say Q3, and rejecting it to, क्या बोला है देखो, and rejects it to high temperature reservoir T3. Okay, ये भी T3 है, इसीलिए मैं ऐसा रखा. Yes, my dear. So clearly he said the first engine is rejecting to T3, the second is rejecting to T3. That's why I kept like this. Otherwise, there is no problem at all. You can keep. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Can I call this as the refrigeration effect? Because this is the lower temperature for refrigerator. इस refrigerator के लिए lower temperature, it is taking from lower temperature, rejecting it to higher temperature. So can I say for this refrigerator, it is picking up from the storage. This is the storage. This is the storage. From the storage, it is taking Q3, that is refrigeration effect, and this is the work input. Is it clear? Is the question clear, my dear students? First का 400 आ रहा है. Check करते हैं sir. Check करते हैं sir. So if the high temperature T1 is 600, this is 600, and low temperature is 300, T2 is 300. What is the value of T3 पूछा है? What is the value of T3 पूछा है? देखो, T1 is given, T2 is given, and he is asking T3. एक बार देखना, condition क्या है? If T3 is find the temperature T3, determine T3 such that heat supplied to the engine Q1 is equal to heat absorbed by refrigerator. बोला क्या है? Heat supplied by engine Q1 is equal to heat absorbed by the refrigerator. In the problem, it is given as Q1 is equal to Q3. I am not taking, but it is given. बोला क्या है? देखो, what did he say? Heat supplied to the engine Q1 is equal to heat absorbed by the refrigerator. The refrigerator is absorbing. So heat supplied to the engine. This engine को Q1 is supplied. Heat absorbed by the refrigerator is Q3. ये दिया है. Shall I proceed, my dear students? Now, for this condition, he is asking your value of. इस condition के लिए क्या पूछा है? T3 पूछा है. Correct ना? Correct ना? अब क्या करेंगे? एक बार इधर देखना. Can I write efficiency? First focus on this engine. First focus. Can I write efficiency is output by input? Anyone in the class? Can I write efficiency of this engine as output by input? But it is a reversible engine. अगर reversible होता है तो आपको thermodynamics में पता है. For reversible engine efficiency is 1 minus इस engine के लिए this is the lower temperature. This for this engine, this is the lower temperature. This is the higher. And efficiency of reversible engine is 1 minus T lower by T higher, and all temperatures are in Kelvin. I taught clearly in thermo. 1 minus T lower is T3 and T higher is T1. इसको हम एक इक्वेशन रखेंगे. इधर आना आप, इधर आना. Can you tell me what is the COP of refrigerator? The refrigerator का COP क्या होता है? Refrigeration effect, amount of heat absorbed from the storage space to the work input. So therefore, COP is equal to Q3, that is RE by work input. Wonderful. Can anyone in the class tell, can we write this in terms of temperatures? Yes, I can write COP of a reversible refrigerator in terms of temperature. What is that? T lower. इस refrigerator के लिए T lower क्या है? T2 by इस refrigerator के लिए this is higher, T higher minus T lower. I repeat, my dear friends, for this refrigerator, the COP of a refrigerator, of course, reversible is T lower by T higher minus T lower. For this refrigerator, lower is T2, higher is T3. Okay, wonderful, my dear students. अब सुनो ध्यान से. Can I write W by Q3 as, इसको उल्टा करो. There is a reason. इसको उल्टा करो, reciprocate करो. T3 minus T2 by T2. Wonderful. Here we have W, here we have W. Here we have Q1, here we have Q3. But in the problem, what is given? What is given? Q1 is Q3. So can I write this W by Q1? W by Q1, 1 minus T3 by T1. This is also W. Can I write this as W by, what is Q3? Q3 is given as Q1. So इसको हम Q1 भी लिख सकते हैं. So therefore, W by Q1 is 1 minus T3 by T1, and that should be equal to T3 minus T2 by T2. Correct na? Is it correct, my dear students? Is it correct? Is it correct? Is it correct? सही है ना? Wonderful, my dear students. Wonderful, my dear students. तो क्या करेंगे सर? तो 1 minus T3, I don't know what is T3, by T1, 600 is equal to T3, we do not know, minus T2, what is T2? 300 by T2 is 300, correct ना? T2 is 300. So 600 minus T3 by, इसको LCM ले लेना, 600 minus T3 by 600 is equal to T3 minus 300 by 300. So ये 2 times हो गया, तो 600 minus T3 is equal to, ये 2 को इधर लेना, 2T3 minus 2 को इधर लेना, 600. So 1200 is equal to, ये minus T3 इधर आएगा तो 3 होगा, 1200 is equal to 3T3. So T3 is coming out to be how much? 400 Kelvin. Is it correct? Is it correct? Thank you. Thank you. Is it correct, my dear students? Is it correct? Wonderful, my dear students. अब पूछा क्या है, देखो सारे टेम्परेचर्स आ गए. What is the efficiency of engine? Can you tell me efficiency of engine? Efficiency of this engine is this engine is 1 minus T lower by T higher. T lower is T3. Already T3 is 400 by T higher is 600. I repeat, 1 minus T lower by T higher. This is 300. So this is 400. Just now we calculated. तो कितना आ रहा है सर efficiency? 33.3%. And he also asked the COP of refrigerator. इस refrigerator का COP भी पूछा है. COP. What is COP? T lower by T higher T3. T3 कितना है रे? 400 minus T lower. T lower by T higher minus T lower. So anyone with COP? Anyone with COP? I think the answer is 3. Are Babulu, are we clear? All of you, have you followed this? Pakka? Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, next. Wonderful questions for wonderful students. Wonderful question for wonderful students. अरे एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन था रे, एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन. हाँ, take this, read this. अच्छा, गजराज सिंह चौहान. अच्छा, like you? हाँ. Wonderful, you are wonderful. चलो पढ़ो, ये क्वेश्चन पढ़ो. Thank you, thank you. Please read this question. Do you want me to zoom it or what? Yes. Up. An ideal gas, it should be underlined, is compressed. This is a very good question. Sir, can I ask a question not related to thermo? No. This is also a very good question. An ideal, please read the question properly and then try to attempt. An ideal gas is compressed reversibly and adiabatically from state A to state 2. Okay. It is then heated reversibly at a constant volume. D option is not seen. चलो कोई बात नहीं, क्योंकि zoom किया तो नहीं दिखेगा, जाहिर सी बात है. Okay. Now read the question. ऑप्शन लेके क्या करना है? आपको तो क्वेश्चन करना ही है ना. चलो, हाँ, लेट मी चेक. सही दिख रहा है आपको? One second please. नाम घूम जाएगा, चेहरा बदल जाएगा, मेरी आवाज ही पहचान. An ideal gas is compressed reversibly adiabatically from A to B. It is then heated at a constant volume. Okay. Reversible adiabatic के बाद constant volume. After expanding reversibly adiabatically, is state D, the gas is again reversibly heated at a constant pressure to state E, such that T is Tc. Heat is then rejected at constant volume till it returns to state A. Then Ta is okay. Let me do the let me plot the graph. पहले एक बार देखना. TS पे देखेंगे क्या? Okay. An ideal gas is compressed reversibly adiabatically. Can anyone tell what is reverse? First try to plot it. See, This is not a single question. Many questions can come from this. Don't think that when I'm doing this question, it is not just restricted to a single question. Many questions can come out of this, come from this. Dekho, an ideal gas is compressed reversibly adiabatically. What is the process? Very good. Reversible adiabatic is isentropic. Isentropic means vertical line. This vertical can be upward or downwards, correct now? This vertical, but it is compressed. During compression, temperature increases, so therefore it should be upwards. Correct, correct. Uske baad kya hai? It is then heated reversibly at constant volume. Do you know? Why not take on TV? Take re baba. Take, because I have to. मुझे एंट्रोपीज का काम है यहाँ पे. So yes, एंट्रोपी से काम है, इसलिए मैं ले रहा हूँ. आप ले लो, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I have no problem. It's up to you. I never said you are not supposed to take. I never said, Lucky Babu. हाँ. It is then heated at a constant volume to state C. Can you tell me how are constant volume curves? देखो. This is constant pressure. This is constant volume. Everyone knows on TS diagram. These are constant pressure, constant volume. When heat is supplied, if the temperature increases, it will be upwards. When heat is rejected, temperature decreases, it will be downwards. अब बोला क्या है बोलो? It is then heated at a constant volume. Means this is the curve. Should I move in upward direction or downward direction? Upward. क्यों? It is heated. Correct ना? Okay. To state C. After expanding reversibly adiabatically to D, okay, such that TB is TD. Oh, now it is expanding reversibly adiabatically. So reversible adiabatic is isentropic. Isentrop अब बोलता है, कौन अब बोलता है? It is expanding बोला है वो. Expanding का मतलब अब जाता सर. हाँ, प्लीज बताइए. रिवर्सिबल एडियाबैटिक कंप्रेशन, यहाँ पे देखिए आप, कंप्रेशन मींस ऊपर जा रहा है, तो यहाँ पे एक्सपैंडिंग बोला है. कैसे है रे सर? आप भी नमूना है रे. So therefore it is expanding. But यहाँ पे there is one condition given. What is that? It is expanded in such a way that TB, look at the question, TB and TD are same. वो बोला है, I am not taking. Wonderful. The gas is again heated at a constant pressure such that to state E, such that TC is TE. Oh my God, it is constant pressure. Such that TC is TE. All of you, are you following the question? All of you, are you following the question? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. इसका स्लोप कम होना चाहिए. Wonderful, my dear students. तो इससे तो कम होना चाहिए. चलो, डेफिनेटली इससे तो कम होना चाहिए. चलो कम कर देंगे. हैप्पी. Okay. अब क्या बोला है? TC. Heat is then rejected at constant volume. Oh my God. So heat is then rejected at constant volume. How long? Anyone? Heat is then rejected at constant volume until it returns to state A. मतलब it is a constant volume heat rejection. Please tell me, is the cycle clear? Please tell me, is the cycle clear? अरे यार, आप लोगों को नहीं आ रहा है रे बाबा, कितना अच्छा पढ़ा रहा हूं. Please tell me, is it clear रे? मस्त क्वेश्चन है, एक से बढ़कर एक आपके लिए. वंडरफुल माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. अब पूछा क्या है देखो, व्हाट इज टीए? ओके, ही इज आस्किंग टीए इन टर्म्स ऑफ टीबी एंड टीसी. मैं इसको ऐसे करूंगा देखो. तो यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम है. आइसेंट्रोपिक कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम, आइसेंट्रोपिक कांस्टेंट प्रेशर, कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम. देखो एक बार. Don't be in hurry. You cannot learn the subject like that. देखो एक बार. A to B, is it A to B? हाँ. A to B. Then constant volume. Then reversible adiabatic. Then constant pressure, इसका स्लोप कम ही है ना, दिख रहा है आपको, कम ही दिख रहा है ना, यस, ए बी सी डी ई, एंड ही ऑल्सो सेड टी सी इज इक्वल टू टी डी, एंड देन इट इज एक्सपैंडेड. कुछ बोला है यहां पे, ई से क्या है, ई से इट इज कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम, करेक्ट ना, ये कांस्टेंट प्रेशर, ये कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम, वॉल्यूम इज कांस्टेंट, इज इट करेक्ट. अब देखो वेरी सिंपल, हाउ डू आई सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, ये थोड़ा नया क्वेश्चन है, इट्स अ न्यू क्वेश्चन. तो जनरली क्या होता है ना, तो थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आएगा ये. फर्स्ट हाउ टू अटैक, मतलब इट इज व्हाट इज ही आस्किंग, ही इज आस्किंग, इफ यू सी ऑप्शंस, he is asking TA in terms of TB and TC, TB and TC, wonderful, my dear friends. He is asking TA. Now I'll tell you a logic, I'll tell you the logic. Please tell me, is the cycle clear? Is the representation of cycle on TS diagram clear? Is the representation of cycle clear? Kuch mat karna. Now I am asking you one question, will you answer? What is the entropy change for this cycle? Entropy is a property, and entropy change for a cycle is equal to 0. Can I write this entropy change plus this entropy change plus this entropy change plus this entropy change plus this entropy change? When I sum up, what will be the value? Total entropy change for a cycle is 0. Yes or no? तो yes or no, entropy is a property. अगर आप total add करेंगे तो वहीं पे आ जाएंगे, total change will be equal to what? 0. So can you tell me what is the entropy change for AB? Anyone in the class? What is the entropy change for AB? Wonderful, my dear students. AB is a reversible adiabatic isentropic. Isentropic के लिए it is on S diagram. ये entropy, A entropy same है. So what is the change in entropy for AB? It is 0. Now let us calculate the entropy change for BC. Hold on, my dear students. Please hold on. Please stop. What is the working fluid? What is the working fluid? Ideal gas. Ideal gas. तो क्या लिखेंगे? CVLN T final by T initial plus RLN V final by V initial. Is it correct, my dear students? क्या ये सही है, गलत है? क्या ये सही है? It is an ideal gas. अब बताओ मुझे, what is, can we write this as entropy change? B to C के लिए लिखा मैं. For B to C I'm writing. You tell me. This is initial point, so can I write B as initial and C as final? देखो, the process is occurring from B to C, B to C. So this is the initial point and this is the final point. So therefore, I will write the entropy change for BC as CVLN T final. What is T final? TC by T initial. What is T initial? TB plus R ln VF by VA. Can you tell me what is VF and VI? The final volume is VC and the initial volume is anyone is VB. Can you tell me what is VB and VC? Anyone in the class? Very good. Same hai. Same hai. When the volume is same, VB is equal to VC. So what is VF by VI? VF final volume is VC and the initial volume is VB, and both are same. So when both are same, it is 1. What is log 1? 0. So ये तो 0 हो जाएगा. Log 1 is 0. So is it clear, my dear students? ये 0 हो जाएगा. Log 1 is 0. So this volume is same. VF VI volume is same. ये volume same है. जब volume same है तो उसका ratio 1 हो जाएगा. Log 1 क्या होगा? 0 हो जाएगा. ये नहीं आएगा. So therefore, this is the entropy change for AB. This is the entropy change for BC. Now tell me, what is the entropy change for CD? Anyone in the class? What is the entropy change for CD? It is again isentropic. It is again isentropic. No change. What is the entropy change for DE? देखो DE. Can you tell me what is the process? Can you anyone tell what is the process? It is constant pressure. Your teacher has given थ्री इक्वेशंस फॉर एंट्रोपी चेंज ऑफ आइडियल गैस। वो क्या है? CpLn T final by T initial minus RLn P final by P initial. This I have already given. So you may be wondering, sir, आप पागल है क्या? एक बार ये यूज कर रहे हैं, एक बार ये यूज कर रहे हैं. Both will give me same results. But depending on the requirement I'll be using. Here the volume is constant, तो volume ratio कट जाएगा. Here the pressure is constant, pressure ratio कट जाएगा. What is the pressure at D? देखो, so can we write the entropy change for DE as CpLn? Now you are writing for D to E. Can I say D is initial, E as final? So therefore इसको क्या लिखेंगे? T final. D to A ये final है और ये initial है. Correct ना? Minus. Can anyone tell what is PF by PI? PF is PE, PI is PD. Both are same. When both are same, the ratio is 1. Log 1 is 0. So therefore ये कट जाएगा. So therefore, my dear students, this is the entropy change for DE. This is the entropy change for DE. Now I'll calculate the entropy change for EA. Are we clear? EA. Can we write this as, देखो, CvLn T final by T initial. इस process के लिए CvLn, it is occurring from E to A. This is final and this is initial, plus RLn V final by V initial. What is the volume of final and initial? Same volume. तो वो ratio 1 हो जाएगा. Log 1 0. मैं नहीं लिख रहा हूं. Till now is it clear, my dear students? Till now is it clear? Till now is it clear? Now I am asking you a question. If I add all this, how much should I get? If I add all this, it is a cycle. If I add all this, I'll get 0. I should get 0. So therefore, the entropy change for a cycle is 0. That is equal to entropy change of AB plus entropy change of BC plus entropy change AB, BC, CD. मैं ABCD भूल गया. ABCD. Is it correct? Is it correct? Now add AB 0. BC, this should be equal to 0 because it is a cycle. BC, CvLn TC by TB plus CD. What is CD? 0. Not शिल्पा शेट्टी बोलती देखो CD बोल के ऐसा कुछ करते देखो, वो नहीं, वो CD नहीं. CD is 0. DE कितना है रे? DE कितना है? बोलो रे. D CpLn, हाँ, CpLn TE by TD plus DE होगा 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 plus EF. What is EF? EF नहीं, EA. पागल हूं मैं भी. It is coming back to the original state. EA. तो कितना है? CvLn TA by TE. Correct ना? This should be equal to 0. Wonderful. Thank you, Uma ji. Thank you. ये हो गया. अब देखो, can we write this as CV? Let's take common CV. What is log A plus log B? CV इससे common लिए. CV common लिए. Log A plus log B is log AB. तो TC by TB into TA by TE plus CpLn TE by TD. Correct na? This should be equal to 0. Hope it is clear. Is it clear, my dear students? Is it clear? Log A plus log B. Wonderful. So CvLn, I think there is some relationship given. TB and TD are same. TB and TD यहां पे कुछ नहीं होगा. और क्या दिया है? TC TE सेम है. तो जब TC TE सेम है तो कैन आई कैंसल दिस? TC TE is same. Can I cancel this? TC TE is same. So therefore TA by TB, ये उधर ले जाना, माइनस ln TE by TD. ये गलत है, सही है? Is there any difficulty? सही है ना? Wonderful. TA by TB is equal to minus, you take to this side, CP by CV ln TE by TD। और इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, ये माइनस को इधर अटैच करना, ये माइनस को अटैच करना तो क्या होगा TD by TE, करेक्ट ना। माइनस log A is log 1 by A, एटलीस्ट यू नो दैट ना। सो देयरफॉर ये माइनस को अटैच करें तो उल्टा हो जाएगा, तो ln TA by TB is equal to gamma times ln TD by TE, correct na? Is it correct, my dear students? Okay, ln TA by TB is equal to ln TD. What is TD? Anyone? What is TD? What is TD? What is TD? Can I write TD as TB? Can I write TD as TB? Yes, TD को TB लिखेंगे by TE power gamma. So m log A is log A power m, log A power m. Take anti-logarithm. So TA by TB is equal to TB by TC power gamma. Wonderful, my dear students. TE is TC. मैं TE को TC भी लिख सकता हूं, इस TE को TC भी लिख सकता हूं because TE is TC. Okay ना? So my final equation is TA by TB is equal to Henry. TA by TB is TB power gamma by TB power gamma by TC power gamma. TC power gamma. What is he asking in the problem? I think he is asking TA. What will be TA? Bring TB to this side. TB power gamma into TB by TC power gamma. So what is TA? A power m, A power n. So A power m plus n, gamma plus 1 by TC power gamma. Is it correct? तो ऑप्शन क्या है? ऑप्शन क्या है? Is it C? Is it C? वाह, फैंटास्टिक क्वेश्चन। सही बोलो सर, आप सही बोलो, अगर नहीं बोलेंगे तो मर जाओ। फैंटास्टिक क्वेश्चन, देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट। These are all new varieties. दिमाग घूम गया। Other way you have to try. When I give you, so you want everything as a spoon feeding. Yes, I can do by other way also. But if I tell all the things, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Pranam, pranam. Okay ना? Thermodynamics is my elder son. वो मेरा बड़ा बेटा है ना? हाँ, सीरियसली आई एम नॉट जोकिंग। वो मैं बहुत प्यार करता हूँ सब्जेक्ट को, बहुत का मतलब बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, मेरे से भी ज्यादा। हाँ, फटाफट ये कर लो दिस क्वेश्चन, लेट्स डू इट एंड विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम। ओके, प्लीज रीड दिस क्वेश्चन। टाइम क्या हुआ? टाइम क्या हुआ? इधर उधर की बातें करें, टाइम तो होगा 8.54 आ रहा है क्या? 8.54 टाइम, अच्छा टाइम बोल रहा है, हाँ हाँ 8:55 हो रहा है। बस 1 आवर की थी इस क्लास, बस 1 आवर ही ओनली, एंड फॉर 4 मोर डेज आई एम कमिंग कंटिन्यूअसली। आपकी कोई टेलीग्राम चैनल है, एक काम करो, यस आई कैन शेयर द लिंक। हाँ, गजराज चौहान, एक बात बताता हूं, सुनो। See, for thermodynamics there is one small trick. The small trick is like, अब बताता हूं, देखो क्या राज है थर्मोडायनेमिक्स को स्ट्रांग बनाने का, एक राज बताता हूं मैं। Some people think that entropy, availability, pure substances वो बहुत important टफ है, but actually people एक important point पता नहीं आपको। If a student is strong with energy interactions, heat to work first law, then बाकी का सब easy हो जाता है। लेकिन हम वो नहीं सोचते हैं। We always think that कि entropy, second law is important, but the most important thing is the stronghold should be made from this part only. You are facing in relations, thermodynamic relations. Okay, so don't worry. So anyway, I'm starting. If you want, you can watch. There is no problem. हाँ, और एक बता रहा हूँ, देखो एक बार. So first I'll tell you, please revise fundamental equations, basic equations, basic equations. So now see the question. You know, my dear students, एक छोटा concept देके हम छोड़ देंगे. Let us take adiabatic process. In an adiabatic process, heat transfer is zero. Correct na? Let us take reversible adiabatic. Let us take irreversible adiabatic. Let me not waste time. आपका time, I respect your time. हाँ, आपसे बातें करने का बहुत इंटरेस्ट है, लेकिन आपके टाइम को भी रेस्पेक्ट देता हूं ना, इसलिए मैं बहुत कॉशियसली बातें करता हूं. ओके, रिवर्सिबल इरिवर्सिबल. यू नो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ds is equal to d dash q by t plus del s generation. ये हम थर्मो में बताए थे. ब्यूटिफुली आई हैव टॉट यू. देखो रे, ये किस प्रोसेस में आता है? एनीवन, कैन एनीवन टेल दिस अपीयर्स इन विच प्रोसेस? Irreversible. So therefore I write it as d dash q by t plus del s generation. And this is only for reversible, because for reversible there is no generation. Sir, your song is the type of question solved in class really. Thank you. Yes, song. Thank you. क्या आंसर करूं रे आपको? हाँ, देखो एक बार. But both are adiabatic. देखो एक बार. But both are adiabatic. For adiabatic, what is the heat transfer? Zero. Yes, you can start happily. Now you tell me, what is the heat transfer here? Heat transfer is zero. 0 by t, this is zero. ये zero हो गया. Del S generation. But this is always positive. Entropy generation is always positive. ये हम थर्मो में बताएंगे. So positive का मतलब क्या है? Greater than zero. Now see the question here. Can I call all adiabatic processes isentropic? Entropy gen zero means isentropic. Can I call all adiabatic process isentropic? Galat. Only those adiabatic processes are isentropic which are reversible. अगर adiabatic reversible नहीं होता है, it cannot be isentropic. So please understand carefully. If adiabatic process is isentropic, अगर मेरा adiabatic isentropic होता है, उसको रिवर्सिबल होना ही है. अगर मेरा adiabatic process irreversible है, उसका एंट्रोपी बढ़ता है. So the beautiful sentence that I can say is the process can be reversible or it can be irreversible. इसके अलावा कुछ होता ही नहीं. So that's why adiabatic में either the entropy is constant or entropy can increase, but entropy in adiabatic cannot decrease. So इसीलिए जब हम आपको पढ़ाएंगे, अगर TS डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं adiabatic, अगर ये आइसेंट्रोपिक है, एंट्रोपी कांस्टेंट, इरिवर्सिबल होगा, तो क्या होगा? एंट्रोपी इंक्रीजेस. यू कैन नॉट हैव एडियाबैटिक लाइक दिस. इट कैन नॉट बी. दैट्स व्हाई मैं पावर पॉइंट में बताया था, आइदर इट कैन बी वर्टिकल और इट कैन शिफ्ट टू द राइट, बट इट कैन नॉट मूव टू द लेफ्ट. इज इट ओके? तो कल सेम टाइम 8 o'clock विल मीट, बट मॉर्निंग वी हैव सेम इंडस्ट्रियल. लेट मी टेल यू वेरी क्लियरली, अब ये फाइनल होगा. इंडस्ट्रियल का भी बात बता रहा हूं आपको. सुनो, I was planning to start industrial from 23rd, but there was a scheduling issue. इसीलिए the final announced date for industrial is 7th. It is final and there is no change in this. ये final है industrial का. Okay? बाकी क्लासेस में भी केवल इंडस्ट्रियल के, सॉरी, थर्मो के ही क्वेश्चंस होंगे. 93.3 इज करेक्ट. ओके, चलो गुड बाय, गुड नाइट. चलो मिलते हैं. Chalo, bye-bye. Wonderful students. Wonderful. Take care. Bye-bye. Milte hai. Bye-bye. So tomorrow morning, today I got many messages boiler draught ke liye. The boiler draught which I had taught you, I got many messages. So बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. अभी ट्रैफिक भाई का भी फोन आया था. अरे छोड़ दो ये number 1, number 2. I don't care. I swear. I don't care about this number 1, number 2. I am not after numbers. I give my best. That's it. Okay, bye-bye.